is Claire and welcome to Rainbow Chef's Academy. I'll be your Rainbow Chef for today. Today we're going to be making a delicious dessert drink called Mango Lassi. First, we're going to wash our hands for 30 seconds so all the bacteria and germs are off our hands. Be right back. For my mise en place, first, mise en place means everything in its place in English. Now, this is pineapple, mango, almond milk, a cup, and NutriBullet. Step is to cube this pineapple. Before we do, there's this claw method. You make your best bear claw, and then you put it on top of the pineapple. You don't want to cut your fingers. Before we also cut again, we have this finger method. So you have your thumb and your pointer finger, put it under the knife, and the rest of your fingers go on the handle. Now, we're going to cut it like this. Then we're going to cut it again, but as small as we can, so it's cubed. Now we're going to cube the mango. Okay, now we're going to pour 1 cup of almond milk. For our last step, we're going to pour the almond milk inside this container. Then we're going to take our cut mangoes inside this container as well. Then we're going to put our cut pineapple inside of the container. I'm going to close this. Now I'm going to pour this in. That is really good. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like and subscribe. I hope to cook with you again. Bye!